here we come to the elevators at Nordstrom at the Scottsdale Fashion Square Mall in Scottsdale, Arizona. These are Westinghouse RTs. All right. I wonder which one we'll get. These are very nice, installed in the 1980s. Let's feel a lot of this one. Cat view. All right. What floor?
3, please.
Very nice. RT fixtures. Some of them replaced with EPCO. Capacity 4,000 pounds. ADA compliant foam. Yep. It's an older one. I'm gonna get the box shut. That box is falling apart. Here we are on one. All right, here it goes. Other car's the same. So anyways, here it goes. And that's it.